Hello, welcome to all students. Today we are going to start exercise 3.3 of NCERT. So in last class we have discussed symmetric, anti-symmetric, transpose, and let us do some questions on this. Now in exercise 3.3, if I find question number first, third part, how to find the transpose of a matrix. I am doing third part of the question number 1. So find the transpose of the matrix minus 1. This is the matrix minus 1 whose elements are minus 1 root 3 2 and second column element is 5 5 3 5 5 3 and third column 6 6 minus 1. This is the matrix of order 3 and it is a square matrix also. Let us denote it by A. So we have to find out the transpose of this matrix. So transpose of A, transpose of matrix A will be A dash. So here we have to exchange row into column and column into row. So first row becomes our first column minus 1 5 6 minus 1 5 6 is first rows becomes our first column and second rows root 3 5 6 root 3 5 6 is the second rows becomes second column, third row 2 3 minus 1 2 2 3 minus 1 will be our third column. So this is the transpose of A. And now next questions we are doing some difficult questions and some simple questions will be practice for you. So how to find the transpose? Now question number, there are many questions like properties. Under the properties of this one, let us do some questions how to find question number 3. In the question number 3, so we have the question is given, matrix A and matrix B is given. Matrix A, we have to find out. Matrix A has given transpose of A, transpose A 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1 and 0 and 4 to 1. So this is the matrix transpose of matrix A, and the second matrix is given which is minus 1 to 1 is the first row and second row we have 1 2 3. So in this question so we have to find out first part we have to transpose of A plus B. We know the transpose of A plus B is just transpose of A plus transpose of B. So here for doing this some of the two matrices the order should be the same. We have to find out first B. A transpose is already given and we need to calculate B transpose. Now the B transpose will be first row become our first column. It will be minus 1 to 1 and 1 2 3. The second rows become our second column, 1 2 3. Yes, so this is our transpose. Now transpose of A, transpose of B have the same order. So order is 3 cross 2, 3 rows 2 column. It has also 3 rows 2 column. So we can do, because in addition and subtractions addition subtraction will possible only when the order is the same. So if I adding all value, putting the value of transpose of A will be this one, transpose of B this one. So first 3 minus 1, this is a 3 minus 1 0 and second column is 4 to 1 and transpose of B is minus 1 to 1 is the first column, second column 1 2 3. Yes, if you add the corresponding terms, the first element, first column, first column, this would be added to this 3 minus 1. 3 plus minus 1, it comes out 3 plus minus 1, 4 plus 1, 4 plus 1 is 5, and next minus 1 plus 2, and this is 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2, and third row first column 0 plus 1, and 1 plus 3, 1 plus 3. If I simplify this one, it comes out 1 plus minus 1 will be 2, and 4 plus 1, 4 plus 1 is 4 plus 1 is 5, and minus 1 plus 2 will be a plus 1, and 2 plus 2 is 4, and 0 plus 1 1, and 1 plus 3 is 4. So we have calculated transpose of A plus B, but we have to prove that, we have to prove this one. To prove, we have to prove that if now this is the right hand side part, we have calculated this is the right hand side. Let us do for the left hand side. First we have to, in left hand side we need matrix A. Matrix A is not given, but transpose of A is given, and matrix B is already given. So we have to find out first matrix of A. From here, matrix of A. So matrix of A, transpose of A, we know that transpose, double transpose will be the matrix again, original matrix. So if I transpose again this one, so we will get matrix A. So first row become first column, so it has 3 4, 3 4's first row, second row is minus 1 2, and third row is 0 1. Third row become our third column. So in this way, 3 4 minus 3 4 minus 1 2. Now look at that. This is matrix A and this is matrix B. Both have the same order. Its order is 2 rows 3 column, and its order is also 2 row 3 column. Now it is possible, so we have to add these two matrix. Now the sum of these two matrix will be A plus B. Just adding the corresponding terms. This is A, 3 plus minus 1 3, 3 plus minus 1, and minus 1 plus 2. This is B matrix. Minus 1 plus 2, and 0 plus 1, and 4 plus 1, 4 plus 1 is 5, will be 5, and 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2 will be 4. Now this is 2 plus 2, and at the end 1 plus 3, 1 plus 3, yes. So this is the matrix of A plus B. If I simplify this value, the value comes out now this A plus B become now here A plus B. If I calculate, simplify this one, so 3 plus minus 1, it becomes 2, and minus 1 plus 2 is 1, and 0 plus 1 is 1, and 4 plus 1 is 5, and 2 plus 2 is 4, 2 plus 2 is 4, 3 plus 1 is 4. So this is the matrix A plus B. We have adding the corresponding terms of matrix A and B. Now if I calculate transpose of, we need to, in the left hand side, our left hand side is A plus B. So if I calculate A plus B, transpose of A plus B, now look at that, this is A plus B, and we have to find out our left hand side, this one, this is our left hand side. Now in left hand side we need to calculate transpose of A plus B, transpose of A plus B. Now so what it comes, 2 1 1, 2 1 1, 2 1 1, 2 1 1 is the first row, it becomes the first column, 2 1 1, and 5 4 4. This is a 5 4 and 4. So this is our second column. So if I check left hand side of this one and our right hand side has the value this one. So both are take a 2 1 1 2 1 1 and 5 4 4. So that we have proved it. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now in second part we do it. Second part we have to calculate. Second part of this we have to prove that A minus B transpose of A minus B is equal to transpose of A minus transpose of B. So we have already A transpose and B transpose. We need only A. So our matrix A will be here. If I do the transpose of A and again, so matrix A will be transpose of, again double transpose gives you original matrix. So if I double transpose of this one, first row, our this is first row become first column. So this become 3 4, and second row will be minus second column minus 1 and 2, and third row 0 1 0 and 1 in the third row become third column. So this is the matrix A. So first we calculate left hand side. Our left hand side is transpose of A minus B. First we do left hand side. For left hand side we have to calculate first we have to calculate A minus B. So here our A minus B will be A minus B. We have to subtract the corresponding terms. This is matrix A and this is matrix B. So we need to subtract the corresponding terms. So that corresponding terms will be 3 and 3 minus minus. So it becomes 3 minus and minus 1. Next one minus 1 and minus 2. Minus 1 and we have to just remove. Yes. So here our minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 1 this minus this, and 0 minus 1. So 0 minus 1. So similarly 4 minus 1 is, this is 4 minus 1, and 2 minus 2 and 1 minus 3. So if I simplify this once, it becomes now it becomes 3 minus 3 plus 1 is 4, minus minus plus 1, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, and 0 minus 1 is minus 1, 4 minus 1 3, and 2 minus 2 will be 0, and 1 minus 3 will be minus 2. Now this is the matrix A minus B. We need the left hand side, just transpose of this one. Our left hand side is transpose. We have to find out the transpose of A minus B. Now the transpose of A minus B will be, so so first this is first row becomes our first column right here. 4 minus 3, this is a 4 minus 3 minus 1, 4 minus 3 and minus 1, and second row 3 0 minus 2, this is second row becomes second column. Second row 3 0 minus 2. Yes, this is our second column. Now in right hand side, if I do just transpose of A minus transpose of B, so our right hand side become now right hand side of this part. So we need transpose of A minus transpose of B. Just subtract B transpose from A transpose. Now it becomes if I do this one, here transpose of A and transpose of B, just subtract this one 3. So we have the terms 3 minus minus, 3 minus minus, and 4 minus 1. This is 4 minus 1, and next term minus 1 and minus 2, minus 1 minus 2, and 2 minus 2 will be 0, and 0 is minus 1, 0 minus 1, and last term is a minus 3. What? This is 1 minus 3. This is 1 minus 3. So now this is our matrix A transpose B transpose. Now if I calculate this value becomes, now it comes out. So 3 plus 1 is 4, and 4 minus 1 3, and minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3, 2 minus 2 is 0, 0 minus 1 1, 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Now this is the left hand side. So you will see this is our right hand side, and this is our this is right hand side, this is left hand side. You see that these two values, this value comes out this value. So we have just proved left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now this is question number 4. Now in these questions we have to find A plus twice B and transpose of it. So first we need already we have B, and we need A. So for finding, your answer will be transpose of A. Okay, if I do the transpose, again transpose, double transpose gives you the original matrix. If I do the transpose of matrix A, so it becomes matrix A. 2 minus 2 first row becomes first column, and second row becomes second column. Now this is our matrix A, and we need twice of matrix B. In matrix multiplication by scalars, so we have to multiply each entries of matrix B by 2. Now then it becomes, so minus 2 and 0, 2 and 4. So now this is twice B. Now we have to calculate first A plus twice B. Our A plus twice B will be a matrix A, this one, and this is a matrix twice B. Just adding these two, corresponding minus 2 minus 2. Okay, just adding this algebraical sum, minus 2 minus 2 minus 2, and 1 plus 0. This is 1 plus 0. 3 plus 2 is 5, and 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4 is this one. Now if I simplify this one, minus 2, it will be minus 4, and 1 plus 0 is 1, 3 plus 2 is 5, and 2 plus 4 is 6. So this is A plus twice B. We need transpose of this one. We have to find the transpose of this one. Just interchange the rows and column. So now transpose of A plus twice B matrix will be, so first row, this is first row, becomes minus 4 minus 4 1 is the first column, 5 6 the second row becomes second column, 5 6. So now in this way we have calculated the matrix transpose of matrix A plus twice B, transpose of this one.